Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Tom from Philadelphia Website Solutions, and today we're going to work on the WordPress loop. Our theme's really not looking all that great yet because we haven't really styled it, but at least we're getting some content. In the previous one we added this footer content just to be a placeholder, but we're getting there, But now we want instead of this showing up, we would like our blog post to show here. So we're going to go ahead and use the WordPress loop. So to do this, we're going to take out our previous H1 tag here, and we're going to do the WordPress loop. I was kind of just went brain dead there for a second. So the first thing we got to do is make PHP tag. So we're going to do PHP if statement parentheses have post. So if it has post, and close that out. And then we're going to do while have post. Just do it this way. And then the post. Oops. So this is the beginning of a basic WordPress loop to post the blog post. So we have that's basic setup there. The next thing we want to do is display the title, but we want the title to be clickable. So let's do an H2 tag. Alright, so we'll close out our H2 tag. So anything below this is going to be posting in the blog post. So we can do a tag because we want it clickable. And we're going to do PHP, the underscore permalink. And this is going to give us a link to the blog post where it's at. Sorry. So, I'm going to close up my tags here, and then we're going to do the title. This will post the blog post's title, so we do PHP tags again, the title. And close out our A tag. So what this is going to do is going to post it's going to loop through our blog post, and it's going to post the title. Alright, pretty simple. So anytime it looks through and sees a blog post, it's going to post that. Now we got to post content for it also, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll put this in a P tag. Now we'll put this in a div because we'll probably want to style this different. Class content. And close that div out. And within that div, we want to put PHP the content. So this is going to post the content of our blog. So let's separate this a little bit better so you can see it. That, and ignore that, and the next thing we want to do is end our loop. So we're going to have to do, we're going to end the PHP and while else. So now it loops through, it's going to end the while loop, and then it's going to say if, else for if, and if we have a nothing posted here, so we want this to display something. So we're going to do PHP space underscore E, and we'll write something, sorry the post is sleeping. I don't know. So we just close it out like that, and so when it loops through, if it doesn't have a post, it's going to come to this else statement, and it's going to say, sorry, the post is sleeping. I don't know why the post would be sleeping. I don't know, just trying to have a little fun, you know? And if so here's the basic loop in WordPress from from here to here. So if it has post, while it has post, the post. So what it's going to do, it's going to loop through the post. It's going to display the title with a link to that page. And it's going to display the content in that blog post. And if it doesn't have a blog post, it's going to say, sorry, the post is sleeping. That's pretty lame. You probably want to put something more relevant to your website, but hey, just trying to show you how it works. So let's go ahead and refresh our page here. Oh, got our line 12. What does it say? Undefined post. What did I... that's the post. And now it should work. There you go. Hello world. This was our post that we already had on here, the basic general post that WordPress provides every new blog post with. Simple. So there it is. So if we didn't have one, trash this. And I go back and refresh this page. Oh, sorry, the post is sleeping. Pretty simple. If you have any questions about the loop, this is very basic. You can get into a lot more crazier stuff. Let's actually do a little bit more here before I end this one. Let's add a post. We'll say new post. And this is our content. This is just a test. We'll go ahead and publish that. And come down here. Let's refresh it and make sure it shows up. It shows up. Open Sublime text again. And let's do right below the title. Let's add some more information. So let's do a p tag. And we're gonna add the time and the author. So let's do PHP. The time. I'll come back. Oops. I'll come back and keep it in the wrong button. I'll come back and show you how this properly set the time here in a second. I just want to write it out. And the author, post, link. So with the time, I would like it to show like October 13th, 2015, something like that. So to do that, we're gonna do quotes. We're gonna do FJS Y. So it's gonna display the full month, spelled out October, and it's gonna show the 13th, like 13th, and then the year. So let's go ahead and save that and refresh this. And did not do that properly. 706. Did I screw up? Did I screw up again? Let's try this. There we go. June. I didn't have the 11th, but June 11th, 2015. I looked that up. I thought it was JS. Use capital S. Now I'm just getting crazy. Oh, there we go. Got it to work now. June 11th. It was capital S. So that's how you display the date and the author. And that's about it for this one. We'll get crazier as we move on. If you have any questions, leave a comment on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next post, or next video.